Hello everyone. So we have got an interesting question here from the chapter of integration. So yeah, let's start with the question. First of all, this is a question on definite integration, right? So the first thing that comes to my mind during when I see a definite integration like this is King's rule. So King's rule, let me tell you what King's rule is very briefly. Okay, so this is King's rule. Okay, that is integration of fx dx from limit a to b is equal to integration f a plus b minus x dx from a to b. So let's apply this over here. Okay, so this over here is a, this is b. So when we put this a plus b minus x upon each of these functions, sine x, cos x, e to the power x minus pi by 4, let's see what happens. This one becomes cos x, this becomes sine x, right? Because cos pi by 2 minus x is sine x and sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x, right? Now this e to the power x minus pi by 4, this will become 3 pi by 4 plus minus pi by 4 minus x, right? So this will look something like e to the power pi by 4. I'm sorry, this will look like e to the power 3 pi by 4. So 2 pi by 4 minus x, which is e to the power pi by 2 minus x. This is what this looks like, right? Okay, I missed one x minus 4, sorry. Minus x pi by 4 over here as well. So this becomes e to the power pi by 4 minus x, which is basically 1 by e to the power x minus pi by 4, right? So we can write this question like this, right? I'm not writing the limits right now. It will get kind of clumsy. Okay, let's write the question first. So this is the original integral, right? Sin x plus cos x divided by e to the power x minus pi by 4 plus 1. Again, when we apply King's rule, it will also be not sin x but cos x plus sin x. It's basically the same thing, right? 1 plus e to the power x minus pi by 4 into e to the power x minus pi by 4, right? Because like for example, we have got a plus 1 there. So when we equalize their LCMs, it will become 1 plus x minus pi by 4 e to the power x minus pi by 4 into e raised to x minus pi by 4, right? So yeah, okay, I missed one very essential thing, dx. Yeah, never forget to write the dx. That is very essential. Okay, let's now add these. So 2i will become sin x plus cos x 1 plus e to the power x minus pi by 4 divided by 1 plus e to the power x minus pi by 4. right? We're basically adding these two. Yeah, plus, plus. So cancelling out the common terms. We now have integration of sin x plus cos x dx, right? Okay, so integration of sin x is minus cos x, and integration of cos x is sin x, and their limits are from minus pi by 4, I'm sorry, minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Okay, uh, so let me put the values in here. Okay, so when we put the values in here, it will look something like this. Minus cos 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus 3 pi by 4. Okay, so I'm sorry, cos 3 pi by 4 is minus pi 1 by root 2, right? So minus minus will become plus. Sin 3 pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, and okay, cos minus pi by 4 will be equal to cos pi by 4 because it's an even function, right? So yeah, it will be minus 1 by root 2 because we have got a minus before cos x. So yeah, and minus 1 by root 2. This will be 1 by root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, which is equal to 4 by root 2. Now, before this integral, we have got a root 2 multiplied with it, right? We've got a root 2 over here. So let's multiply it with root 2. This is equal to 4. There you have it. This is your answer. So a complicated question made easy with King's rule. Mind you, whenever you are writing this question for boards, or I mean, such a question should not come in boards. It may, I don't know. But when you are writing it for your own practice, you should always write the limits. Okay, I neglected it because it would look kind of clumsy, but you should always write the limits over here on the integration sign. Thank you.